Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, open Settings, then Apps, and tap the File Manager app info so you can act. Disable notifications and background data to stop push ads from appearing. This cuts many immediate ad triggers. Next, revoke permissions that aren't needed, like location or contacts, because fewer permissions mean fewer targeted prompts. Once done, clear cache and consider force stop to apply changes. This prevents lingering ad processes while you proceed to the deeper fixes. Now you go deeper. Uninstall updates or the app itself if you can, or disable it when uninstalling isn't allowed. This stops embedded ad modules from running. Inspect your installed apps for bundled ad components and remove any companion apps that were installed alongside File Manager. If you want a systemic fix, set private DNS to an ad blocking provider or install a reputable DNS/adblock app. This blocks ad domains before they reach the app. Make sure to reboot so network changes take effect. Finish up by rebooting your Oppo and then open File Manager to verify ads are gone. Perform copy, move, and open actions to confirm normal behavior. If ads persist, reinstall the app from the Play Store or switch to a trusted alternative that offers an ad-free version. This resolves cases where the app itself pushes ads. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app injected ads. If safe mode clears them, uninstall recent apps until you find the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.